Try one more. There we go. So we got the rear view camera in it. We're in HP mode. Seatbelt, got the clock, 28 hours, turtle mode. Now if you press this button down, now you can scroll down to, so now you can scroll over to your radio, and then if you hit one of the number keys back there, you can store your radio in where you want to store it. You'll have all the radio system stored there.
Nice.
Now you don't have to reach around behind you to turn the radio down when you want to talk to the guys in the trench. You can just...
Or yell at them.
Yeah, I was going to say yell, but I figured your crew is better than that. So
No, no, not really. I mean, yes.
yes. If you want to return, then you can just hit the return button.
Attention. This is your ditch address system.
Yeah. Attention, this is your captain speaking.
I like it. Here, hop in, take a look.
I like this.
Where?
Just wait.
Where?